Hi, welcome to my home. Come on in. I am Judette, a content creator, and today I am going to show you how I create a comfortable and inviting bed, just like what you would find in a 5-star hotel, but without the price tag and a whole lot more swag. Have you ever gone to a hotel and had a bad night's rest? Me neither. And that's because they know you want the best rest ever, and they figured out that it starts with a solid foundation, a great mattress. To create the hotel vibes in my own bedroom, I went to one of the Quartz sleep centers. You can find them all across the country, but the closest to me in Trinidad is in Maraval. I spoke to one of the specialists there, and she was able to show me a ton of mattress options. Of course, I love them all, especially this one. It's pretty firm and it provided an extra level of support for my back. With the press of a button on this remote, it can go up and down by the legs and by the head, which is pretty cool, especially since I'm the kind of person who likes watching TV, reading a book, having breakfast in bed, or checking out my Instagram feed while I am relaxed. So go check out the range of beds and mattresses available at Quartz Sleep Center. And yes, they did sponsor this video, but the opinions are all mine. Now, I have laid the bed and I've fitted it with a flat sheet. And one of the ways to mimic a hotel room vibe is to keep things cozy and colors in a neutral palette. I anchored the entire bed frame and mattress I got from Quartz with this gray throw, which works perfectly under the bed and pretty much ties all the colors of the room together. Of course, pillows are a must. You know when you walk into a hotel room and the pillows look lush and firm and plenty? To recreate a hotel look, start with sleeping pillows, and then you can layer, if you want, a standard sham or another sleeping pillow in front, or you can stack them like this for a more modern look. I got all of my pillows at the Quartz Sleep Center. I swear, their sleep centers are terrific. It's like being in a one-stop shop that has your comfort in mind. Back to the mattress. Now, most people think that all you have to do is add the sheet and a duvet, but I think what makes a bed super fancy is to use different textiles and fabric. So I have these two blankets that I'm going to use on the bed, but first, the duvet. I love me some black and white because it always looks crisp. I know they use a lot of white in hotels, but adding a duvet with little hints of print makes it feel more like a home and less sterile. The final step is to add and throw a blanket and then place it directly across the bed or toss it to the side. But I like to add some magic, and I am going to band the duvet cover over my throw for this extra touch of glam. Now, cushions are my jam. I love them, lots and lots of them. And this is where we kind of could go really crazy by adding all sorts of colors. But I am sticking to my black and white theme, and I'm also only sticking to 5. One in front of the other, in front of the other, and then the last one in the center. Because basically, if we use more than 5, it practically ends up on the floor anyway. Okay, so that's how I style my bed for a hotel luxury vibe. Tell me, did you like this video? Because if you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, I blog on entrepreneurship and lifestyle every Wednesday and every Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the notification button on top. And of course, turn on the bell so that when I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday, you can see them right away. Until next time, bye.